Jeffrey Epstein was associated with the Jewish religion. He was born in 1953 in New York into a Jewish family, and his upbringing also took place within the same religious and cultural background. His parents were Jewish, and according to various sources, Epstein maintained his Jewish identity during the early part of his life. Jeffrey Epstein was associated with the Jewish religion. He was born in 1953 in New York into a Jewish family, and his upbringing also took place within the same religious and cultural background. His parents were Jewish, and according to various sources, Epstein maintained his Jewish identity during the early part of his life. Visit our channel Global News. In later life, he was not very active or prominent in religious matters, and his identity remained mostly that of a financier and an influential social figure. Some reports mention that he donated to Jewish institutions or educational projects, but overall, religion did not play a significant role in his life. Publicly, Epstein is mostly known for his crimes, his connections with powerful individuals, and his legal controversies, rather than for any religious activity or beliefs. Therefore, although his religious background was Jewish, his notoriety and controversies are linked not to religion, but to his personal actions and crimes. Jeffrey Epstein was an American financier and investor who was born in 1953. He initially worked in the field of education and later entered the financial world, where he accumulated wealth. Epstein developed relationships with many influential individuals, including politicians, business leaders, and celebrities, which kept him frequently in the news. Epstein is most widely mentioned in connection with his private island, Little St. James, located in the US Virgin Islands. On this island, he built a luxurious residence, which later became the subject of allegations that underage girls were sexually exploited there. Many victims claim they were brought to the island through deception or coercion. In 2019, Jeffrey Epstein was arrested on serious charges related to the trafficking of minors and sexual crimes. The case drew global attention because it raised questions about the possible involvement of powerful circles. However, before the case could reach a verdict, Epstein was found dead in a New York jail in August 2019. According to official investigations, his death was ruled a suicide, but the incident gave rise to numerous conspiracy theories and doubts. The Jeffrey Epstein case emerged as an important debate about power, wealth, and the justice system.